Hey everyone, welcome back to Xscaling Chronicles. In today's video, we're talking about Wi-Fi 6, or more formally IEEE 02.11ax, the latest wireless standard that's going to change the way we use Wi-Fi. Let's dive in and see what makes it so special. Wi-Fi 6 was officially released in 2019. It's a next step in the evolution of wireless technology, built to improve speed, capacity, and performance, especially in environments with many connected devices. If you've ever experienced slow Wi-Fi when too many devices are online, Wi-Fi 6 is designed to solve that. First, Wi-Fi 6 operates on the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands. This means it can offer better range and performance on both bands, optimizing how the network operates. Next up, Wi-Fi 6 supports a maximum speed of 9.6 gigabits per second. That's incredibly fast, although it's important to note that actual speeds will depend on your environment and devices. But overall, it's a huge leap over previous Wi-Fi standards. Wi-Fi 6 also introduces 1024 QAM, or quadrature amplitude modulation. This technology allows more data to be transmitted in the same amount of space, improving both speed and efficiency. With Wi-Fi 6, you get several supported channel widths: 20 MHz, 40 MHz, 80 MHz, and even 160 MHz. Wider channels allow for faster data transmission, especially in less congested environments. And when it comes to spatial streams, Wi-Fi 6 supports up to 8 streams in total, for both upstream and downstream. This helps to reduce congestion and improves the overall efficiency of your network. One of the standout features of Wi-Fi 6 is OFDMA, which stands for Orthogonal Frequency Division Multiple Access. This technology divides each channel into smaller subchannels, allowing multiple devices to share the same channel at the same time. This reduces latency and improves efficiency, especially when there are lots of devices connected to the network. So, what does all this mean for you? With Wi-Fi 6, you'll see faster speeds, better performance in crowded spaces, more stable connections, and even improved battery life for your devices. It's perfect for homes, offices, or any place where multiple devices are online at the same time. To wrap things up, Wi-Fi 6 is a major upgrade, especially if you have a lot of devices connected to your network. It's faster, more reliable, and designed to handle the demands of modern wireless environments. If you're still using Wi-Fi 5, it might be time to consider making the switch. Let me know your thoughts on Wi-Fi 6 in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.